I think a lot of engineers are familiar with or familiar with injection molding. But when it comes to micro, do you see material behave differently than it normally would? And are there certain materials that you recommend or don't recommend? Does it depend on the project? There's a lot there.
Yeah. So I'd say first and foremost, we're typically not going to be making direct material recommendations. If we are in a situation where that's being asked for, we have basically like our resin supplier experts who can provide technical staff to be able to say, hey, they are the ones actually making these polymers and they can make recommendations based off of that. But a huge part of that is knowing like what is this device or component going to be doing, and do you need it to be rigid? Do you need it to be pliable, robust, right? The durability. There's a lot there that we don't want to just necessarily recommend a resin based off of, okay, well, it will fill this part. It'll make a really nice looking part, but it may not do what you need it to do. So typically we're not providing direct recommendations, but we're certainly part of that conversation and understanding, okay, the mechanical properties, do they line up with what you need? And then also, can it be something that we can actually manufacture? I think it's, multiple legs to that chair there.